Baking is fun for me, and it really makes my mood light whenever I'm stressed out. This is the therapy which somehow worked for me. Yes, baking is a therapy for me. I try my hands on different kinds of baking, like different cookies, different cakes, mug cakes, etc. Whipping up treats in the kitchen can do more than just create yummy comfort food. I found baking had a calming influence on me without knowing that was what it was doing. It's nice to know that something as simple as making a cake has such a positive effect on our emotions. Adding finishing touches such as sprinkles to your creation can give you a sense of pride and enhance your feelings. Looking for new flavors, trying on new flavors, new textures, this really makes me happy. Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So mango season is here and the best time to bake this simple mango cake recipe is now. It's luscious, bursting with fruity mango flavor. It's great. When making any dish or dessert made of fruits, I try to do it while the fruits are in season. So I baked this mango cake for my son's friend's birthday. I had a very short time, but somehow managed to do it. So let's get started and see what ingredients we require for this. So let's get started with the recipe. First of all, I'm going to sift all the dry ingredients together in a bowl. Flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Just sift all of these together in a big bowl. Now, with the help of a wire whisk, mix everything properly. So we want to make it sure that the baking powder and the baking soda are properly mixed with the sugar and flour. And to this now I'm going to add vegetable oil. I'm using canola here, vanilla essence or extract, and 1 egg. So with the help of an electric beater, I'm going to mix all of these together. Once this is properly mixed, I'm going to add the second egg, and half of the mango pulp. I'm going to beat it again at a low speed. So after some time, I'm going to add another and the last egg with the remaining of the mango pulp. So the measurements for all the ingredients have been mentioned in the description box below. You can check it out from there. Now I'm going to mix this again with my electric mixer. Just do it until incorporated. See, the batter is smooth now. Everything has been mixed properly. And now for the last mix, I'm using my spatula so that I can get everything from the sides of the bowl. Our batter is now ready, and now I'm going to pour this in a 9-inch round greased pan which is lined with the parchment paper. Just level the batter from the top. So now I'm going to move my spatula in the batter so that if there are any bubbles, they should go away. Just give it a few taps and bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. So here is our ready cake. After 35 minutes, see the golden color. Our cake has turned out to be really beautiful. We'll let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes and we'll come back and demold it. So it's been 15 minutes. The cake is not completely cool, but it is cool enough to take it out of the pan. So I'm just loosening the sides with my spatula. So here comes our mango cake. Let me remove the parchment paper. It's a bit warm. See, it has beautifully risen and it has a beautiful color. So what I'll do is I'll cut it from here and I'll decorate it with fresh mangoes. Although I'll not be able to show you after cutting it because I told you it's a birthday cake for someone. So I'll be showing you the end result. So this is how I decorated the cake with fresh mangoes. And to learn how to decorate your cake with fresh mangoes, click on the link I have placed on the screen, because I've already done this for my eggless mango cake. You can go and learn it from there. So I hope you like this mango cake recipe. This is mango season, so do try to make this mango cake once. I have also tried and posted eggless mango cake recipe. The link will be here on the screen. You can go and watch that too. So in case you make this cake, do share the pictures with me on my Instagram account. The link is in the description box. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And also, if you like this video, do not forget to like and share it. So until next time, this is Dipali from dipalihori.com.